I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a tool that's going to make your baby chores a little easier, you're going to want to check out this bottle sterilizer from GROWNSY. We use it every single day to sterilize our baby's bottles. It's extremely easy to set up. You just put a little bit of water in the reservoir at the very bottom and start loading up. So I'm able to fit so many bottles in here because of the large capacity of this sterilizer. It even has a little shelf on top for the smaller things. In this case, I'm not using it. I'm just filling it up with all of my bottle parts. You can also use it for breast pump parts, pacifier, and all the other baby things. We also love how efficient it is. In just 8 minutes, your load is sterilized and ready to go. It'll be super hot when you take it out. But they were super thoughtful to include this little grabber here to make life easier. And then you would just set out all your bottles and things on a towel to air dry, and you'll want to clean up your sterilizer after each use as well. So if you're in the market for a sterilizer for all of those baby bottles, definitely check out GROWNSY. You're gonna love the sterilizer. It's gonna help you get the job done, and that's my point of view.